Hi guys, if you've been online in recent time, you may have realized that there have been more videos and articles about how to invest in the stock market, or how to buy stocks, or how to grow wealth with stocks, and the list goes on. But wait a second, how did the stock market even begin, and what is the history behind the stock market? Stick around with me as I go through some of the interesting facts about the history of the stock market in a creative format, of course. Let's jump right into this video. Thank you everyone, and welcome to the show. Are you money spots? That's right. This is a premiere of the most exciting finance show on television. Every night for the next 2 weeks, we'll be asking trivia questions to real people just like yourselves, for a chance to win up to $500. Huh? No? My bad. I mean $5 million. You do very there, wine. I'm your host, Vance, and today we have 3 contestants on the show. Let's meet them. Hi, my name is T. I'm 27. I'm a financial advisor. I know all about finance and products, so I'll win that $5 million. Hi, Malcolm X. I'm 67. I believe I'm the oldest one here, so I know a whole lot about money, finance, history, and everything in between. Yeah, right. There's no way you're gonna win the money. Oh, I meant the contest. You're too old. You look like you want to take a nap. Listen, young man. I may be old, but I know my finance history, and I'm gonna win this contest. Alright. Let's calm down, everyone, and let's respect ourselves on this show. Hey, mister, you never got to introduce yourself. Kindly tell us who you are. My name is Luis. Oh, hold on. I came all the way from New York for a chance to win only $5 million? I thought it was only $5 billion. Oh, someone's been playing with me. Well, if you don't want to play, we have other people outside ready to take your spot. Director? No. Oh no. I was just kidding. I'll play. Give it their wife. Please leave me. I thought so. Now to the rules of the game. I'll ask the question, and the fastest person to press the buzzer gets a chance to answer the question. And if it's correct, he wins the money allocated to that question. If he doesn't get the answer, the second fastest player answers the question, and so on and so forth. You guys ready? Okay, the first question for $100,000. Where is the oldest stock exchange in the world? Lyon, France. B. Barcelona, Spain. C. Hamburg, Germany. D. Toulouse, France. E. Antwerp, Belgium. F. Geneva, Switzerland. Steve, you were the fastest to hit the buzzer. Kindly tell us your answer. The answer is C. Antwerp. That's correct. $400,000 is yours. Indeed, the Antwerp Bourse opened its doors in 1460 and kept going until 1997. I can tell you're ready for this contest. I'm here to win. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. I'll get the next one. Alright, here's the next question worth $500,000 for Steve. What is the name of the first company to issue stocks and is known as the granddaddy of all corporations today? Is it A, the Dutch East India Company, B, the British East India Company, C, Saks Company, D, the Bracelet Crest Company? I know that the British Empire ruled for over 200 years, and I'm sure the answer is B. Is that your final answer? Yes. B is my answer. Alright. For a chance to win $500,000, you got the answer wrong. The Dutch East India Company is widely thought to be the first company to allow the public to invest in its business. And what was the world's first earliest IPO? It was founded in 1602. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, but I get to keep my $100,000. Okay, we get to start all over again. And this is a chance for you guys to win $100,000. And also to win the contest. Where was the first stock exchange in the United States? Is it A, Boston, B, Philadelphia, C, New York, or D, Washington, D.C.? Lewis, you were the fastest to answer the buzzer. What is your answer? I choose New York. Is that your final answer? Yeah, man. That's my final answer. You got it wrong. The answer is Philadelphia. All New York is where all the action is today. The Philadelphia Stock Exchange was started in 1790, which predated the New York Stock Exchange by 2 years. Don't feel bad. You can still win. Okay, now on to the next question. What $100,000? Let's bring our A game, guys. Are you guys all ready? Ready? Ready. The founders of the New York Stock Exchange took inspiration from which country's stock market? Is it A, Great Britain, B, France, C, Italy, or D, Spain? Uncle Max, oh, you were the fastest. Well done. Oh, the answer is B, Spain. Your answer is correct. You sure won this job, Max. You just won $100,000. Okay. Now on to the next question. What $500,000? What was the first listed company on the New York Stock Exchange? Is it A, Nationwide Insurance, B, Prudential, C, Bank of New York, D, Merrill Lynch? Uncle Max, you were the fastest again. Damn it. Oh, I'm gonna draw up. What is your answer, Uncle Max? The answer is C, Bank of New York. Is that your final answer? Yes, it is. Shares of the Bank of New York were traded under the favored Altonwood tree on Wall Street in 1972. Wow. Okay, guys, we have to take Uncle Max very seriously. He just won $500,000. How does he know all these answers? He must be cheating. You know there's card for 18 marks or something? You're funny. Maybe we should hire you to inspect everyone who comes to contest on this show. Yeah, man, I'm just saying. Seriously, I'll just ignore you before you come over here and slap me. Alright, the next question is for $1 million. Are you ready, Uncle Max? Ready! How long did the New York Stock Exchange shut down upon the outbreak of World War I in 1940? Is it A, it is shut down, B, about 4 hours, C, about 1 week, or D, about 4 months? The answer is D, between July 31st, 1914 to November 28th, 1914, which is exactly 4 months. The outbreak of the World War I in Europe forced the New York Stock Exchange to shut down its doors until July 31st, 1914, after a large number of foreign investors began selling their holdings in hopes of raising more money for the war. On November 28, 1914, the New York Stock Exchange reopened for bond trading after nearly 4 months. That was the longest stoppage in the history of the stock market. Your answer is correct. Wow, Uncle Max, you on fire. I'm at a loss for words. You just won $1 million, Uncle Max. How do you feel? I'm so happy. I told you all, I may be old, but I know my history. And I'm here to win this money. I dare to set up a chicken farm for my wife. Oh. Oh, how sweet. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the show for today. Join us same time next week for another episode of Are You Always Bad? Hi guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. By now, you would have learned some history about the stock. I'll attempt to summarize 5 key points on the history of the stock market under 60 seconds. So let's begin. Number 1. The first modern stock trading was created in Amsterdam when the Dutch East India Company was the first publicly traded company. Number 2. During the early 1600s, stocks and bonds were first issued to the public. Number 3. The New York Stock Exchange started in 1790s where a group of 24 investors got together in New York on Wall Street. They met under the Buttonwood tree and signed the famous Buttonwood Agreement. Number 4. In 1907, JP Morgan and other Wall Street bankers rescued the banks, the stock market, and New York City from financial ruin. Number 5. One of the lowest periods in the history of the stock market was during the Great Depression in the 1930s. Now, in regards to the Great Depression, the fundamental cause of the Great Depression in the United States was as a result of a decline in spending, which led to a decline in production as manufacturers and merchandise merchandisers noticed an unintended price increase. This is called deflation, which is the opposite of inflation. However, while the US economy began to track, American goods became desirable to foreigners, while low income among Americans reduced the demand for foreign products. American decline was transmitted to the rest of the world, largely through the gold standard at the time, as central banks throughout the world raised interest rates. So it was critical for other countries to maintain the international gold standard, which required massive monetary contraction throughout the world to match the one current in the United States. The result was a decline in output and prices in countries throughout the world that very much downtown in the United States. Alright guys, as we wrap up this video, the purpose of creating this video is to encourage you guys to invest for the long haul and not short term, so you don't lose out. Back in the 1930s, before the Great Depression, because the stock market was booming at the time, most people didn't realize that the stocks were overvalued, and since they heavily borrowed to invest, they were left worse. But it's very important that you research the companies of the stocks you want to purchase, in order not to buy the shares of those companies that are not profitable. In another video, I'll show you how to find well-performing stocks that pay dividends, in order for you to effectively live off your dividend proceeds. Also, make sure to watch my video on the high cost of food prices caused by the Russia-Ukraine war, located at the bottom of this. As always guys, I'll leave you with a quote by JP Morgan, who was an American first industrial organizer and one of the world's foremost financial figures. He said, "The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide that you are not going to stay where you are. Until next time, always stay money smart with your finances to achieve your dreams." Bye.